touch it. Say.
Bro. No, that is not. For real?
That's it, man. Fella, 1/3 of the Mindset Podcast. Right here in the flesh.
No, bro.
That's a coincidence.
Yeah, I was just watching it and everything. Y'all are making some noise in this.
Man, we be trying, man, but nah, you've been making some noise. I got a new one. I'm trying to get wrapped, man.
Okay. What you talking about that one out there?
I'm gonna bring a different one. I just
you bring some 2021 shit. Nah.
Something new. You know what I mean? But on this one, I want you to have free range, man, because you've been doing it, so surprise me a little bit.
All right, hey bro. Like, if I do a good rap, you gonna let me get in this? I got some ideas though. Like, y'all be speaking, but let me.
You stick to the rapping. Let me stick to the podcast.
Is there at least a little hope on it? You know, let me get a,
Depends on how you hook me up. We'll see if we can work you in.
Say less.
Told you now, if you don't know who I am, and you must know who I am, I'm that guy. Dr. Miami of car raps, Mr. All-In Cars, Mr. I'll rap the shit out your car. Yeah, but seriously, I will. If you haven't seen the last one we did, take a look at it. Woo! Now we got some fire. Let me find this damn door first before I bust my ass. That thing, C6 Corvette. Let me give you a better. What we about to wrap it? It ain't no color. It ain't no damn color. Let's just, yeah, just watch me rap this shit.
Yo, what's good, Book?
What's good with you, man?
Ain't nothing, man. Yeah, man. Did you get the car yet?
Man, your team dropped it off.
Oh, yeah?
Highly
Time,
surprised.
man. Yeah, they told me they was about 20, 30 minutes out, but I didn't know they dropped it off that quick.
Yeah, they was on it. They dropped it off. It met all my expectations. Man, I'm definitely gonna spread the word and,
All right.
get some more done. You feel me?
Yeah, man. Hold on. I think I got another call.
Word.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna hit you back.